In 6 days, we are leaving to go to Berryville, Virginia, to the Clark County Fairgrounds for the Lucketts Spring Market. And there's still a ton to do. It's probably not that bad. I just need to look at the list again. I have a whole to-do list and I haven't looked at it in a few days because I have a lot of anxiety about it. I need to look at the list. I don't think it's that bad. No, there's a lot to do, but I am still in picking mode. So that means I'm still looking at the auctions. If I see a thrift store and I have time, I'm stopping in and I'm checking things out. I won some auction items last night and we need to go pick them up. They're all going to Lucketts and there's one particular item. It was a really good find and I think it's gonna sell really well. Y'all, part of my auction winnings are missing. I'm sure it was just an accident. Somebody probably bought like a whole wall of stuff and just sweeped it all up with that, if I had to guess. That's probably what happened. They are for, let me just read the description that's on my invoice. 4 folding military stools. But let me show you what else I got. Antique chalkboard. I don't think, maybe I've had one of these before in my inventory, maybe, but not in recent memory. So this is, I'm just gonna say this is my first antique chalkboard. How's that? Good size. And it's got the little chalk holder down there at the bottom. Can you see that? Now this next item, it's the cream of the crop. It's metal sign, but wait, there's more. It's metal, it's double-sided, it's got honey written on it. Okay, back up here, hold on. This is a mix of inventory, products that I've ordered like wrapping paper, the amount of planning that has to go into something like this. Kind of feel like I'm planning a mini wedding every year. Anyways, lots of stuff in here and this isn't even all the inventory. What we're doing right now is just taking the stuff that I have clean, priced, and packaged out of the house. I moved stuff around because I need to access those walls and this desk here in the next day. But one thing I wanted to point out, on all the tubs, on some tape, I wrote down how many items were each box. I try to keep track of it as much as possible, and I counted sets as one item. I just wanted to get a rough idea of how many smalls I have. And out of all these tubs here, and I think a box over here, I think it's 154 smalls, and we're not even done. So that's a lot of smalls. Highly recommend tubs instead of boxes when you're transporting inventory. Busy, busy day. We have auction pickup, which we're gonna do first. Do the last bit of garage cleaning, and oh man, the pricing. The pricing never ends. But we're off to do auction pickup. I didn't get much this time, but I got some things that I am excited about. A set of 8 of tall tumblers, nice and heavy. I'm a big fan of this green color, but there's 8 of them here in this box, and there's actually 2 more little rocks glasses. East Lake style dresser with a marble top. Great bones, moderate wear. I'll probably put some of that wood conditioner, Bees, something, why am I blanking on it right now? I used it yesterday. Overall, it's in great shape. On my way home from auction pickup, I got a phone call that my military canvas folding stools had been found. For a moment there, I was like, I'm not gonna have those in time for Lucketts. They're not gonna get them back until I'm leaving for setup, and I'm just gonna have to save those for later. But we got them. There's 4 of them. They're just cool little pieces, and there's a bee. And they're all really solid and sturdy. Oh, there's like a weird spider there. See these things over here? They're old baker racks. I guess got painted green somewhere along the way, and they're on wheels. We're gonna add shelving. I think they'll kind of be a hard sell because they'll have to be like a very specific space. But the reason why I really like them is because of all those nude paintings that I found, all that student work, and that will be a great place to have it on display or hanging off so people can flip through them. Plan on putting them out on a tabletop as well. So I'm just gonna have a booth full of nudes.
Hot.
Mike's been super wonderful and he's doing math. What kind of board is this? It's a ply product, and so Mike's doing the math on how many pieces we need to cut to give it the shelves that we want. 20 and a half by 20 and a half, and I think we are doing 7 per rack.
4 per board, I think.
Only 4?
Well, we get 4.5.
4.5. Really?
Well, sorry. Hold on. No. Yeah. 4.
Maybe I should do the math.
No, 4. Yeah, we can get 4 sections. Don't show this. This is probably wrong. 16. I think we get 16 per.
Really?
I think one might do it. Oh wait, half of that. 8 per. That's what I meant to say the first time. I meant to say 8 for real though. 8.
All right.
I thought 16 in my head, and I was like, oh, perfect. And then for some reason, when I started talking, it made no sense.
Chalk line?
You know what I thought when I was measuring before?
What?
Wish I had a chalk line.
Redoing what I shouldn't have done, painting the walls to really pretty cream. I think it's cozy white is what the color was called when I picked it out today.
Let's do it!
All right, let's do it. Time. Heading out for Lucketts in the morning. It kind of feels like I'm taking less than last year, but I don't think I am.
Maybe smaller things. But...
Yeah, maybe some smaller things. I had some awkward shaped things last year. You have any thoughts?
It's only just begun.
We'll see you at Lucketts. Bye.